My number one goal for today was to come outside and clean out this window box. I was so tired of looking at these dead boxwoods, I didn't know what to do. But we have a replacement for them. We're going to plant this window box up. Now, in my garden, I do a lot of transitional colors. So while we are waiting for the temperatures outside that are below freezing to where many plants won't necessarily survive, I go ahead and I continue to enjoy my season over here on Garden Queen. And I've taken you all on quite a bit of those journeys with me. So let me show you all the plants that we're going to be using. I figured I'd do 4 instead of doing the traditional 3. I think these 3 here will give us the best look that we're going for. Now, I thought about coming in and shaping these . Now see, don't that look better? Let's get some water in here. I know it's late, but one of the things I always do is I always go in and water. I did 4 of the arborvitaes versus going with the traditional 3, and I'm super excited because this is just going to just give this window box just so much character as we plant this up throughout the various seasons, and I totally love it. And I went ahead and I shaped them versus going with the traditional shape. I wanted to expose the bottom of the stem here of our tree trunk. I wanted all of that to be exposed. So very excited. And when I was looking for these specimens, I went through and I picked specimens that were single stem. That way I did not have to share the top canopy with multiple branches here. So I think we have a nice starter here, a single base arborvitae, and I'm super excited with the outcome.